What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be making some ribs, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos. I have a pan here with some of my rib seasoning, but I can't tell y'all nothing about that because that's a secret, and some yellow mustard. So I'm going to take the ribs after they've been cleaned off and everything, and I'm just going to mix the mustard with my seasoning. The mustard has a little kick at the end, and it also is going to help my seasoning stick to the ribs. So I'm just going to give my ribs a little bit of a massage. You want to work that seasoning into the ribs. That way every part of your ribs is seasoned nicely so it gets good flavor while it's cooking. So you just want to take your time and do that. And then I'm going to take that water that was next to that mustard and pour it in the pan and then cover it with foil. And I'm going to put this in the oven on 420 for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to drop the temperature to 380 and cook it for 2.5 hours. And when it comes out, you should be able to pull it right apart like you see me doing, and be able, it should fall off the bone. You should be able to pull the bone right out of there. That's what you're looking for. That's good eating right there. So after that, you can go ahead and put barbecue sauce on it. Oh, like I'm pouring it on there right now. Oh, that looks so good. Let's see that one more time. Ooh. Or you can put barbecue sauce on there and cook it in the oven for just about 5 minutes to let it caramelize on top of those ribs. But that's it. That's the end of the video. And I thank you guys for watching it. And I'll see you in the next one.